Alright, you are welcome back. I remain Mr. Ashley Azubike. Alright, so I've showed you how to set up your page. Alright, I'm sure you can do that now. Alright, it's easy. Okay, now the next thing you need to do, I want to show you how to divide your screen into two, in case you don't know how to do that. This is because you need book formatting has some rules. One of the rules is that every new chapter of a book, alright, must start on the right hand side of that book. Every new chapter of a book must start or must be on the right hand side of that book. For example, just pick up a book in your house right now, look for chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, whatever chapters. You will see that they all started from a fresh new page, alright, on the right hand side. So now, because of that, as this is like this, now I can't just say this particular page I can't just say this particular page is the right hand side or this. So what I need to do is to ensure I divide the page so I would know the left and the right. So to do that, just go to view, click view, alright. When you click view, as you can see here, alright, just click on 2 pages. Simple. Hope you get it. As simple as that. It has been done. 2 pages. Now let us continue. Now the first thing to do, alright, the first thing to do after you have okay, I wanted to show you something else as well. Let's say you formatted. Let me create a new Microsoft Word. Okay, let's say you formatted you've just formatted an empty page. Okay, and you want to copy your content and paste there. All right. You want to copy your content and page on that new page and paste on that new Microsoft page like this one. When you click Ctrl V, all right. When you click on Ctrl V, in most cases, if your page is not set as if that particular page is not set as the default page, okay, it would scatter your setup. All right. It will scatter the setup if your page is not default page. To scatter. So the best thing to do is, once you have set up a blank page and you want to paste your content, just don't press Ctrl V. Just put your cursor where put your cursor where this just right click where your cursor is and go to. As you can see, on that page, there are different options there. Alright? Keep source formatting, merge formatting, keep text only. Just click on text or keep text only. And it will take the formatting shape of what you did. Alright? It will take the formatting shape of your formatted work. So now let's continue. Let's continue here. But what I usually do and what I would advise you to do, alright? When your content is on a particular page, all right, a particular Microsoft page, you can now set up the page while the content is there. Is that understood? Okay, good. Now let us continue. Now what you need to do, okay, sorry, now as you can see, this is our left page, this is our right hand page, right hand side, left hand side. So every chapter will have to start from the right hand side. All right, okay, let's continue. I hope you are getting it. I hope you are writing 1 or 2 things down as well. Don't forget, I remain Mr. Wealth Ashley Azubike. Now as you can see, we don't have a title page. We don't have what is it? Copyright page. We don't have what is it? Table of content page. Okay. So to do that, let us add our title page and copyright page. To do that, just bring your cursor to the last, to the before the first letter. All right. Let your cursor be placed before the first letter. Then you click on the home menu. All right. When you go to the home menu, click on Insert. You might not click home again. Just click on Insert. Once you click on Insert, then you click on Blank Page. Right? Are you getting it? Good. You can click on Blank Page twice. All right. So here will be for our book title. Here will be for our copyright. All right. Good. So now, don't forget we will still create a table of content page, because what we are the pages we are using is title page, copyright page, table of content page, and introduction page. Okay. Good. I believe we are forging ahead. All right. So on the first page here, this is where the book title will be. Book title. Please don't forget, book title should be here. All right. Book title should be here. Book subtitle should be here as well, and author's name. Okay, so these are the three things that needs to be here. All right. Now, as you can see, when I deleted, one of the blank pages got deleted as well. All right. Now, while we are working, I would put something on. I'll get the book title and subtitle and author's name. All right. Okay. So now, what I want us to do is to let's leave the book title, the title page, and the copyright page. Then let's work on our introduction. All right. You should know how you want to introduce your book. I already have this as my own introduction, very short. Okay. Now I'll come here, all right, and write introduction. Good. Now our formatting will start, as in the practical work. The practical work will start. So now, the first thing you need to do is to highlight this introduction you wrote here. Click on Home. Okay. Go to this styles. All right. Look for heading 1. All right. Heading 1. Okay. You click on it. Once you look for it, click on heading 1. Then you come back to heading 1. Right click. Once you right click, click on Modify. Okay. Good. Now you can now change the color to black. If you want, you can leave it. It can be red. It can be any color you want. All right. You can now change the font style. Let me use 24, 26. All right. The font style, you can use the one you want to use. Okay. Let me make use of Georgia. All right. Once that is done, you can decide to centralize it. Okay. All right. Good. So once you centralize it, come down here, ensure you click on automatically update. Are you following? Click on automatically update. This means that any particular thing you what is it? You highlight and you click and you just click on heading 1, it will take the features of this one we just formatted now. Alright, that is what this automatically update means. So anyone we just highlight any particular word or whatever we highlight and just click on automatically update, it will just take on the shape. So once that is done, you can just click on OK. Alright, good. Our introduction is fine, it's okay. So the next thing is to highlight this first paragraph. Once that is done, you can go to normal, come here, let's look for normal. Alright, normal, good. Alright, you can click on it. Okay, you can click on it, then you come back to normal, you right click and click on modify. You can, the font size of 14 is okay. You can make it 16 if you want, but 14 is okay. 14 is okay. You can click on justify it. Alright, you can click on justify. Then if you want to change the font style again, it's your choice. Let me see. It's your choice if you want to. Okay, once that is done, just click on OK. You see, every other word now took that same characteristics, but I don't like this font. Let me change it. Let me look for narrow. Let me look for no. So you just select the one you want. Let me try this. Okay, so let me just go with this. Alright, now every other work has taken up the shape of this justification. So the next thing you need to do is to now start creating your chapters. You should know where a chapter should be. Okay, for me, I want to make this a chapter. So now what you need to do is to put your cursor here before the first letter of where you want to make chapter. Click on insert, click on page break. Don't go and press enter, please. Alright, don't do that. Don't go and press enter. Alright, as you can see, when we click on page break, alright, this came to a new page. Alright, but that page is on the left, and the rule is that every new chapter should start on the right hand side. So I click on page break again. It is here now. Alright, good. I can now say chapter 1. Alright, once I highlight it, I go to home and I look for heading 1. Once I click on it, can you see it has taken on the shape of that introduction? Hope you are getting it. Alright, this is a very easy way that many people don't know. They'll be doing their own one after the other. Alright, so what we'll do, we'll continue from our next video. I don't want this video to be too long again, because formatting is something you take your time to do. So we'll continue for our next video. So see you in the next video. I remain my humble self, Victor Ashley Azubike.